Once upon a time, India was covered in really vast stretches of forests. But over the years, due to many reasons, especially developmental activities by humans, the area under forest cover has become much lesser. More importantly, large forests have been broken down into smaller patches, a condition that is called fragmentation. Fragmentation has long-term side effects. As forests get divided into smaller bits, animal populations also break up, becoming smaller, isolated subpopulations, which is not ideal for their long-term survival. But the good news? These fragments of forest may sometimes have a connection. It might be just a few trees and bushes that look unimportant, but they are critical. These are what are called wildlife corridors. Corridors are like bridges. Their ability to connect places makes them invaluable. Wild animals, especially the larger ones like elephants, and big predators like tigers, need large areas to survive in healthy numbers. When large forests are fragmented into smaller patches, these animals especially have a problem. So what happens if a fragmented forest is isolated, with absolutely no connection to any other forest? With good protection, animal numbers in this patch will increase over a period of time. But because the forest is isolated, the surplus population has nowhere to go. They are forced to move out into adjoining areas, very often where people live. This can lead to conflict. But if this fragment was connected by a corridor to an adjoining forest, animals can move between them and establish new populations. Areas that are disturbed and with small populations take a very long time to recover to a healthy level. But when connected to areas that have good population numbers, their population increases rapidly. In southern Karnataka, the Hills Sanctuary was formed in 2013. Tiger numbers were quite low inside this 900 square kilometer area. The adjoining BRT Hills is about 570 square kilometers, but it has more than 50 tigers. Scientists found that a tiger cub born in BRT had migrated to Hills over a period of 2 years and has successfully established a territory now. In today's world, where most of our forests are fragmented, corridors play a vital role as bridges that maintain continuity between forests. Not only do they help animals move between patches, but they also help maintain genetic diversity and avoid inbreeding within a population. So, the next time you see a few trees connecting two patches of forests, remember that it is a bridge that is more valuable than one can imagine.